I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of our tool. So if you head over to our website, you see a Get Started button, which is going to take you into the systematic review automation. And while you're here, feel free to scroll through the site to see what our tool can do. So right here's the dashboard where all of your previous and current reviews can be found. And as you can see, I've previously ran a review related to ivermectin. Right now, I'm very interested to know about the effect of acupuncture on chronic pain. So I'm going to hit new review and let's give this review a name like pain. Now, if you're a researcher, you know PubMed queries are crucial. They determine what studies you find, but building these queries can be really tricky. I've got one ready for this review, so let me paste it in. Quick note though, we're building a query assistance tool to help you construct these from scratch even if you're totally new to PubMed. But for now, here's what happens when you already have a query. I'm going to leave out a Scopus query and keep all the settings to default for this specific review. Alright, so now we're getting to the good stuff. This is the entire automated pipeline which takes you from screening articles by their titles all the way through full text analysis and extracting the actual data you need. First thing we do is programmatically communicate with PubMed and Scopus to retrieve all the papers from these databases that match your initial query. Then you can see each step here: initial screening, full text retrieval, PDF parsing, detailed screening, and finally data extraction. The green numbers show you exactly how many papers make it through each stage, so you can track your funnel in real time. On average, an automated review with our platform takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. We're literally sifting through thousands of papers in that time. Compare that to the year you typically spend doing this manually, and you can see why researchers will love this tool. So I'm going to let the rest of this pipeline run, and we'll see how it processes through all of these steps and how many papers actually make it past each stage. And we're done. As you can see, we've made it through the entire pipeline and are left with 20 papers deemed relevant to our query on acupuncture and chronic pain. And here's the table with all the structured data that researchers need, including study designs, interventions, outcomes, and statistical measures. This is exactly what you're after in a systematic review, since it gives you clean, organized evidence that answers your research question. And best yet, it doesn't take a year to get there.